Hi everyone, we have prepared latest market updates for September 19th, 2022. Porsche AG valuation led to a rise in shares. Volkswagen shares rose 3% in pre-market trading Monday, outperforming Germany's blue chip index after the automaker said Sunday that it intends to value the luxury sports car brand Porsche at 75 billion euros, $74.84 billion. As a result, shares of Porsche Holdings SE, Volkswagen's largest shareholder, rose 2.7%. Volkswagen announced Sunday night that the price of preferred shares in Porsche AG's offering would range from 76.50 euros to 82.50 euros per share, which could be the second largest initial public offering in German history. A prospectus with more details about the listing is expected to be published Monday afternoon. Under an agreement reached earlier in September between Volkswagen and Porsche SE, 25% plus one common share of the sports car brand, which is voting rights, will go to Porsche SE as a preferred share price plus a 7.5% premium. Porsche SE will finance the acquisition of the common stock with borrowed capital of up to 7.9 billion euros, according to a separate statement. Cardano cryptocurrency has significantly sagged. Cardano cryptocurrency traded at $0.4361 on Monday, dropping 2.02% on the day. It was the token's biggest drop in value since August 19th. The slip also triggered a decline in Cardano's market cap to $15.0417 billion, or 1.65% of the total capitalization of all cryptocurrencies. While previously at its peak, the token's cap was $94.8001 billion. Over the past 7 days, the cryptocurrency has felt a 13.4% drop in value. The volume of Cardano traded in the last 24 hours prior to the publication of this piece was $728.5613 million, or 1.08% of the total volume of all cryptocurrencies. The rate has ranged between $0.4351 and $0.5081 in the last 7 days. Meanwhile, Bitcoin last traded at $18,787.4, down 6.32% for the day. Ethereum traded at $1,304.51, a drop of 10.54%. Bitcoin's market cap is $362.5457 billion, or 39.68% of all cryptocurrency capitalization, while Ethereum's market cap is $160.0819 billion, or 17.52%. Oil falls on recession fears and supply problems. Oil prices fell Monday as concerns about a global recession raised fears that fuel demand growth would slow, although supply worries ahead of a European Union embargo on Russian oil supplies in December limited the decline. Brent crude futures for November fell 0.5% to $90.89 a barrel. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude oil futures for October delivery were at $84.46 per barrel, down 0.8%. The October WTI contract expires Tuesday, while the more active November contract cost $84.12, down 64 cents. Earlier Monday, both contracts were up more than $1. Oil futures fell more than $1 last week on fears that another interest rate hike by the U.S. Federal Reserve could slow global growth. On Monday, the dollar took a bullish turn as investors prepared for a busy week of central bank meetings where borrowing costs are sure to rise around the world, with some risk of a surprise U.S. rate hike. A stronger U.S. dollar makes dollar-denominated goods more expensive for holders of other currencies.